What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Coach B. Let me be great, baby. Hey, man, I can say something to you, man. And this is, I thought about it. I said, a lot of times people doing stuff for likes, not for their purpose. Oh, man, listen. Some of you doing something. I'm going to tell you like this right here. Let me get close. Let me get close. Tell those friends that's not giving you them likes, that's not sharing your thing, I'm going to be back. Oh, listen to me. Listen to me. You got to tell them like, yo, listen, you ain't got to like me. Yo, listen, family member, you ain't got to share my message. Yo, you, listen, friend, cousin, whoever you want to be, you ain't got to like me. I'll be back. Oh, listen to me. Why? Because your purpose is for God. Oh, listen to me. You don't realize whatever's for you gonna already be for you. Whatever's that's ordained for you is already blessed for you. You don't realize the delay process. The delay process is so critical. Listen to me. Your time is coming. Your time is coming. You tell somebody, listen, you ain't got to share my video. You ain't got to like my video. You ain't got to do my video. Why? Because God already like you. Oh, listen to me. Stop playing with them people. Stop playing with them people trying to look for what they trying to do for you. Stop playing with them. Stop telling them, listen, I've been out here all the time. Ain't nothing changed but except me. Consistency is what matters. Again, let them people know you ain't got to like my video.